Okay, today we're doing a new challenge. I am Kidmana, and we did 3 random spins for teams, and whatever of the 3 teams we wanted, we picked, and if we didn't want any of them, we would respin one more time to see what we got.
This is part 3 of special guest.
Oh yeah, we have our special guest again. So today, he has Colts, and I had the Seahawks. Because I decided to use the Seahawks out of my 3 teams, and he respun. Okay.
So we're gonna get to playing, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys, we're loading in to the game, and it is the Super Bowl presentation. So
It would be weird if we had 2 AFC teams playing in the Super Bowl. So I'm glad I got the Seahawks and he got the Colts.
yep, Seahawks are the NFC.
Probably if we did 2 AFC teams, they wouldn't let us do the Super Bowl presentation.
I'm pretty sure they would.
Oh yes. Okay, I'm getting the ball first.
And
Oh my gosh, that's a terrible thing. Oh wait, just looks weird. Oh, that was a terrible thing.
that was not a terrible kick. That was super deep.
Oh wow, I guess it was good. Oh well, we get the ball first.
Yep, we do get the ball. I do not like the Seahawks personally because I am a 49ers fan. So,
Oh, come on.
what a play by the Colts. What a play.
We're not all bad. It's just our defense is bad. Well, most of the time.
You have Sam Darnold. I don't want to hear it. And a pick, the first throw of the game.
It was by Nick Cross.
By Nick Cross. What a play.
I didn't even check that.
Now let's. Oh, wait. Hold on. He is, but not technically in this. And Daniel Jones is the best quarterback. He is rated way worse than he actually is.
He's an 81. He should be an 81. Or actually, no, he should be an 84. He was doing great this year.
You knew I was going to throw that.
But I'm not talking about that. I made it realistic, and if I would have this team, I would have used right.
Did I just see Daniel Jones scratch his butt? Pick. What a pick.
Oh, we're about to take it.
Took him
love to the house. Oh!
Daniel Jones almost got it.
Oh, sorry, not dude.
First throw for Daniel Jones is intercepted.
Not first.
First throw for Rivers. And after this, we're going to be posting a WWE. So stay tuned.
You dropped that?
He did drop it. It is 6-0.
Oh man, he caught it.
With Speedy Gonzalez out there. Whoo, whoo.
It's
Speedy Giddens.
Giddens.
Speedy Giddens. I pay no attention to the Colts whatsoever. They're not even in the NFC.
They're in the AFC.
Exactly. So they worry none to me. I'm a Niners fan.
Well, what if we make it to the Super Bowl and the Niners make it? Is that where you?
No.
Yeah.
Because I know we have either the Seahawks or the Niners are going to the Super Bowl in the NFC.
It's the Bears or the 49ers.
Thanks, Eli. I'm glad you think it's. I'm glad you hope it.
I mean, the 49ers blew us out, and we were 7-1. And we didn't even have Daniel Jones, and they still blew us out.
Y'all did have Daniel Jones?
No, we didn't.
No.
We did.
Who do you think's a better quarterback, Daniel Jones or Phillip Rivers?
Daniel Jones, but I think Phillip Rivers is good, but he retired.
Phil, your uncle.
This year? He retired yesterday.
Yeah, he retired yesterday because
Another pick 6. Another pick 6. That is all your touchdowns. That is why the Seahawks are so good. The defense is.
good.
That's the only thing.
Exactly why. And because they also have Cooper Kupp and Smith and Jigba.
Smith and Jigba.
Sorry, Jackson.
Oh, he's slipping.
Sorry,
He's
got your
slipping.
name wrong.
It is picked. No! No! What a 2-point conversion off the other team. I thought that was good. Speedy Giddens. Always breaking a tackle, but gets to the 35.
I can't believe I got that.
Oh my god. That makes me sad.
Makes me happy.
That's why the Colts suck.
Oh, by the way, Alec Pierce is our number 1 receiver. Oh my gosh, Michael Pittman isn't really.
Ernest
He
Jones the
dropped 2 passes
4th.
yesterday. If anybody was watching, you would have seen that he dropped 2 passes yesterday. I knew that.
Holy, what are you running? Are you running Engage 8?
No, I was running Coach Suggestions.
Well, Coach got some good suggestions. In college football, it's coach requirements, am I right? Got to the 1-yard line. What a...
You didn't get to the 1-yard line. You got to 1 yard away.
How do you get that twisted?
22 yards.
Yeah. I got 22 yards on the play. Got...
He keeps giving me these.
Oh. I'm not even running it. Whew, Jonathan Taylor just got smooshed. Like big time smooshed. I used to think Jonathan Taylor was a quarterback.
I used to think Troy Aikman was a defensive player.
It's just their names. You know what? I quit.
No, you can't quit. You can't quit. Oh, sorry.
Thanks for watching.